Alright, we're at the 12th floor Intercontinental Hotel, Minneapolis Airport. Look at this view. Awesome. Over here, we have 4 Otis Gen2 elevators to ride. This one. One. Here's your COP, newer Otis buttons, an ADA phone, and a 3,500 pound capacity. Here are 1. Go to 12. Door close works. Here we go. One. Let's get a cab view. Security camera. These are very nice, and the cab's somewhat basic. Look at those lights. I love those lights. Definitely a nice modern cab. This place has been open for a few years now. There are 1. Only 1 lantern works. Oh, that was a good shot. Let's switch. This one's sitting here. There we go. This one doesn't have the ad on the wall. 12. Let's get dual indicators. Let's go to 2 actually. Exact same as the other one, except this one does not have the ad on the wall. I guess we could try to ride all 4 of them. There's that one again. Let's see. That one's on 1. That one's on 3. Okay. So I should have sent it away. Look at that one went down. Yeah, I knew it was gonna give me this one. I'll just send you it to like 10. Alright, we're probably gonna get this one. There goes that. This controller is smart. Let's see here. It might give me that one again. If I hit down, it'll come. Wow, what a... I knew it. Oh, that one's going down. Oh, here we go.
Yeah. Going on.
Yeah, this one has a key card stuck in the fire cabinet. $12?
12th floor.
Yeah, this one's a nice and loud Gen2 voice. That one's on 1. So let's go try to get it. Love hearing those kind of like relay. They're not relays, just like the logic board working. I do like this. It's like it's like ceramic almost. They're pretty quick for 12 floors. It's funny those arrows don't do anything. Here are 1.
First floor.
Good, still sitting here.
Going up. Going up. Eighth floor. Going up. Twelfth floor. Going down.
Actually, what's in on 2? Very nice cabs. It's turned out to be a longer video than I expected. Here in 2.
Floor.
Very nice. Just gonna keep thinking. Alright. There it goes, and that'll be it.